Merry Christmas Eve! I can't believe Vlogmas is almost over. I've had so much fun doing Vlogmas this year. I think it's the first year since like maybe 2017 that I'll get all of my videos uploaded like by Christmas. Normally I'm like well into the new year and uploading Vlogmas still, but anyway, the plan for today, I've just been working all morning and now Johnny's gonna come pick me up. I'm at my parents' house right now. And we're gonna go over to Valley Fair, which is like the nice mall in San Jose. The one in town is just like kind of sad these days. So we're gonna do some last minute Christmas shopping, mostly for his family, but we'll see if I find anything else to round out my gifts. Our house is just like gift central right now. We've got a bunch of gifts here. We've got a bunch of gifts here. We have the whole wrapping station. I just went through and took stock of all of the presents that arrived that I ordered and everything. But one item is here. So that was pretty good if you ask me. So anyway, that's the update. We're gonna head out to Valley Fair, I think in like 15-20 minutes whenever Donnie comes to get me. So we just got back from the mall, changed real quick, and now we're gonna go pick up Maya and her fiance Chandler, and we're gonna go to dinner. We're gonna go to Bantam, but I think now we're gonna go to Venus because I've heard Bantam is like packed and there's a multi-hour wait. So we're gonna go to Venus, and then after that, I think we're gonna try to go to Apparel Club, which is also on the west side of Santa Cruz, and meet Leah when she gets off of work, and her husband Daniel for a drink and just a little hangout. So it's gonna be a fun friends night, and I'm so excited to spend more time with Maya and Chandler because we hardly ever get to see them. Good morning and Merry Christmas Eve. I'm sitting in the car right now. I just dropped Johnny and Chris off to play tennis and I'm waiting for them to confirm that they got a court, and then I'm going to Costco to do a quick return that we have, and I cannot believe I'm going to Costco without Donnie. This never happens. I need to get him his Christmas present. I'm getting him some AirPod Pros, but every time we go to Costco, we're together. And this morning he was like, hey, could you go make this return at Costco for me while we're playing? And I was like, oh, I guess, sure. Meanwhile, I was like, I cannot believe how well this worked out. I thought I was gonna have to like sneak away later today, like create a distraction, like pretend I was going somewhere else. But I tried unsuccessfully once today to drop them off at tennis. There weren't any courts open, so then they were coming around doing errands with me, and I just need them to stay here while I go to Costco so I can be at least somewhat of a surprise. I feel like he basically knows what I'm getting him because he doesn't want very many things, and obviously I pay attention to the couple things he does want, but it would at least be nice to purchase them when he's not there. So waiting for them to give me the go-ahead that I can leave, and then we'll go run the Costco errand, and then I'd love to get home and take a shower before we start our day. But on the agenda, making cookies, which is lots of fun. We do that every year. And then going to his dad's later this afternoon, and then Christmas Eve dinner at my parents'. I've had a frog in my throat all morning. So anyway, that's what's up. So Costco was only half a success. I returned what I needed to return. I got this box set of wines that we're gonna give to one of Donnie's aunts, but they didn't have the AirPods Pro. They were all sold out. They said they sold out yesterday. I'm so mad I didn't go sooner, but I think Best Buy has some in stock, so we're gonna go there. All right, crossing our fingers that Best Buy has what we need. Secured. Alas. All right, we're back in the car. That was crazy. So Best Buy had exactly what I was looking for. Same price as Costco, which was amazing. So thank God, because my other gift to Donnie, which is clothes, is not going to arrive on time because of all the storms going on. Actually, I have like several gifts that are not arriving on time because of the storms, but whatever, it is what it is. So at least I was able to get him the AirPods that he wanted. So we got that, and then I ran over to Safeway. It was so crowded and packed. It was like absolutely chaos, but I picked up ingredients to make gingerbread cookies, so that'll be fun. I think we're gonna do that as soon as Donnie and Chris are done playing tennis. So I picked up those, and then what did I just get also? Oh, I got this like almond milk liqueur that I got last year that was really fun for making like drinks or like espresso martini type things. So I just picked up that, which will be fun. I thought we could make cocktails later tonight. And yeah, that is the update. I'm gonna go drive over to where Chris and Donnie are playing tennis now, pick them up, and we'll go home and make cookies. So we just came down to the point to grab a breakfast burrito and watch the surfers for a little bit while we're waiting for them to make our burritos. But it's such a nice day. I feel like the last few years it's been so rainy around Christmas. It's so nice to have a like warm, sunny day. So we're just over at my parents' house making cookies now. We started with the prune tarts, which are a classic. My grandma used to always make these, so we had to make those. We have the last batch that is about to go in. And then I got supplies for gingerbread cookies, so we're gonna make those next. And then we need to make the crescent rolls because dinner's soon. So we might end up doing gingerbread after dinner, we'll see. So it's almost time for dinner. We're just waiting for the rolls to come out of the oven because we forgot to put them in. So the ham is carved. We're like ready to eat. We're just waiting on the rolls. So we just finished Christmas Eve dinner and dessert and played games with Donnie and his mom, and it was so much fun. And then Donnie and I just spent the last like hour wrapping presents because we hadn't wrapped any of the presents yet. So just finished doing that. I'm about to put them all under the tree and then we're gonna head home and go to bed. But as you guys know, I always do Vlogmas day 25, so I vlog on Christmas Day. So there's still one more video Vlogmas. But thank you guys so much for watching this Vlogmas season. It's been so much fun and I love you all, and I'll see you in the morning.